Okay, so if we come back to where we were and we can go into conclusion, well, actually, we've done an awful lot within the podcast. We've started to understand the rationale for why we might want to assess the functioning of the heart. And I think that's pretty obvious. But we started to understand how important in that job the ECG is, and also how important things like thoracic impedance cardiography could be to be able to monitor both the ECG, the electrical activity of the heart, and therefore the association between structure and function, and in the case of thoracic impedance cardiography, the actual output of the heart in terms of the cardiac output and the stroke volume. And for both of these, what we've also done is we started to understand the limitations that exist in these approaches, that they are really dependent upon how well trained you are as the individual in terms of placing those electrodes to generate an accurate signal and an accurate reading. And then finally, with the ECG, we spent quite a bit of time understanding some of the pathologies or some of the responses that we can see with the ECG trace, and actually how complex this is, and the fact that it's not a single trace, that it might be multiple traces, because we're looking at multiple aspects of the heart. Remember, the heart's in a three-dimensional domain, and so we need to see this across the heart, what is happening at any given moment in time.